Welcome to Pebbles channel. I hope you are all excited to continue learning French. Do you remember the numbers we learnt in the previous session? Yes, we learnt numbers from 0 to 60. Shall we say it once again? Say it along with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Do you remember numbers 51 to 60 that we learned? Can we write that once again? So, what did we say for 51? 50. 51. 51. 51. 50 and 1. 52. 50, which is 50. And for 2 it is the. 52. 52. For 53 we said 53. 53. For 54 it is 54. 54. 54. For 55 it is 50. Yes, 55. Next, for 56, 56. For 57, 57. 57. 57. For 58, 58. 58. 58. For 59, 59. And finally, do you remember the last number that we learnt? What did we say for 60? Yes, it is 60. 60. Now, just like number 50, if you know number 50 and numbers 1 to 10, it is very easy to write numbers 51 to 59 because we write 50 and then 1. 52. Similarly, for 61 to 69, if you know the word for number 60 and numbers 1 to 10, it is very easy to write. So you can try to write it along with me as I am writing. So try writing it along with me. So first we will write for 60. It was 60. So now, can you guess what we would write for 61? It is 60. 61. 60 and 1. 61. For 62, it is similar to that. 60 for 60, and for 2 it is the. 62. 62. 62. For 63, it is 63. 63. 63. For 64, it is 64. 64. 64. 60 means 60 and 4 is 4. Next, for number 65, it is 65. Very good. 65. So, it is very easy. You just have to know the word for number 60 and numbers 1 to 9. So, for 61 we say 61. For 62 it is 62. For 63 it is 63. 63. For 64 it is 64. 64. For 65 65. 65. So try writing numbers 66. For what did we say for number 66? For 60 it is 60. 60. And for 6 it is 6. So 66. 66. Now try writing number 67. For 60 it is again 60. And for 7 it is 7. 67. Now next, for number 68. 68. So next, number 69. What would we say for number 69? 60 is 60. And for 9 we say 9. 69. 69. Now for number 70, we don't have any word as it is 60 plus 10. We know that 60 plus 10 gives us 70. So what did we say for 60? It is 60. And for 10 it is this. 60 this. So for numbers 61 to 70, you just have to know the word for 60 and numbers 1 to 10 in French. So shall we say this once again? So 61, 61, 61. 62, 62, 62. For 63 it is 63, 63. For 64 it is 64, 64. For 65 it is 65, 65, 65. Next, for number 66, 66, 66. So 66. For 67 it is 67, 67. For 68 we say 68, 68. For 69 it is 69, 69. And for 70 it is 60 and 10. 70. So now we have learnt numbers from 0 up to 70. 70 numbers we have learnt to say in French. So shall we say it all together from 0 up to 70? So say it along with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So far we have learned 70 numbers, and I hope you are all thorough with numbers from 1 to 70.